Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding mixed numbers. Now another word for mixed numbers is mixed fractions, so they mean exactly the same thing. Adding mixed numbers is done by following these steps. Number 1, add the whole numbers. Number 2, add the remaining simple fractions. And number 3, combine these two answers. So here's our first example. 3 1/5 plus 4 2/5. So the first thing we do is add the whole numbers. So there's your 3 plus 4. Of course, that's the whole number there. That's the other whole number. So there's 3 plus 4. Add the remaining simple fractions. So the remaining simple fractions are 1/5 and 2/5. So there's your 1/5 and your 2/5. Now 3 plus 4 gives you 7. Okay, so that gives you 7. Then what we have to do now, we just have to add those two fractions there. So now we add the two fractions. So 1/5 plus 2/5, we remember from previous videos, that's 1 plus 2 over 5, and that's 3/5. So the two parts we have are the whole number, which is the 7, and the fraction. So now we add the whole number and the sum of the two fractions to arrive at the final answer. So 7 plus 3/5 is 7 3/5. Now I have just suggested this method here by following these simple rules. Now your teachers may suggest other methods, but this method will certainly work. Example 2, 3 1/7 plus 4 2/7 plus 5 3/7 plus 9 5/7. Now let's look at the whole numbers first. So we have 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9. So they're the four whole numbers. See? One there, and there, and there, and there. Now we have the fractions. 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, and 5/7. When you add the whole numbers together, that gives you 21. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9, so there's your 21. Now we have to add the four fractions together. So when we add the four fractions together, just add the numerators. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 over 7 gives you 11 over 7. Okay, so this turns out to be an improper fraction here. But we know that 11 over 7 is 1 4/7 because 7 into 11 goes once with a remainder of 4, so it's 1 4/7. So the final answer is 21, which was that whole number there that we found earlier. Okay, 21, but we have to add 1 4/7, which is the sum of these fractions here. So 21 plus 1 4/7 gives us 22 4/7. So this has been a very straightforward video, which has given us a simple strategy on how to add mixed numbers or mixed fractions together.